Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. Children, last time in English General we learnt about how to look at the picture and fill up the blanks with the appropriate words. Today we are also going to learn the same thing but with a different picture. Can you guess which picture I am talking about? Let me give you a hint. Can you tell me what it is? Yes, it is a feather of a peacock. So, you might have known the hint that what we are going to look for. What is the picture about? Yes, it is a picture of a peacock, children. I hope you all have seen this peacock. Very beautiful bird. Come on, let me explain you something about this bird. Being a bird, it doesn't fly. आपने देखा है पीकॉक को उड़ते हुए? हाँ, उड़ता है. It flies, but to a certain height only. Not like crow, not like parrot, not like a pigeon. It flies up to certain height only. Like एक टेरेस तक उड़ के जाता है या up to a tree. Now, why? Because it has huge body and it has long feathers. उसके बहुत सारे पंख होते हैं. It is a very beautiful and colorful bird and you know it is our national bird. जैसे हमारा national animal है tiger, as peacock has been our national bird. Now tell me, हमें भूख लगती है, when we are hungry we eat. What does a peacock eat? Yes, it eats worms, insects and grains also. Grains, pulses and also it eats. Now anything more about it? Come on, let us see what we have to learn about. Now children, what is the title? Look at the picture and complete the sentences by using the appropriate words from the given bracket. What are the words for us? The words are beautiful, national, grains, dance and green. Now the first blank. The peacock is our dash bird. What is the appropriate? Appropriate means correct, मतलब सही word. What can we write? Beautiful, national, grains, dance or green. Can we write the peacock is our beautiful bird? No children, beautiful is not the correct, not the appropriate word. We have to write national. So, the peacock is our national bird. So, we will write the word national. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. And children, what we have to do? We are going to mark the word national as number 1. Children, why we are doing this marking, you know? Because you will remember that you have already attempted this word. You have already given this word to a certain blank, for example 1, then you won't repeat it for any other blanks and you won't make a mistake also. Now number 2, it is deep blue and dash in color. What is the right word? Beautiful. Should we go for national? No. You remember, you have already marked it. So, its answer has already been written for number 1. Now, next is grains, dance and green. Yes, as I shown in the picture, it is deep blue and green. The color of the peacock is deep blue, matlab dark, deep matlab dark blue and green in color. So, the right answer is green. We will write the spelling G-R-E-E-N. And children, what we will do? Yes, we will mark it as number 2. Which word? The word green. Now, the third one. It has dash feathers. Now, what are the words left out? Beautiful, national is not, we are already written, so we won't go for it. Grains and dance, green also we have written. Only 3 words. It has dash feathers. How is it is feathers? How is the feather of the peacock? मोर के पंख कैसे होते हैं? सुंदर यानी beautiful. Yes. So, it has beautiful feathers. So, we will write the word beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. And children, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to mark the word as number 3. Yes, children. Now, number 4. It eats dash and insects. What does it eat? It eats dash and insects. Now, what are the words? Beautiful, we have already written. National, we have already written. Only 2 words are remaining. Which are they? Grains and dance. Should I write here it eats dance and insects? No, we have to write it eats grains and insects. So, we will mark the word number 4 and write the spelling. What is the spelling? Grains, grains. Yes, children. And number 5, the last one. It spreads its colorful feathers and dash in the rainy season. You know rainy season यानी बारिश. जब बारिश आने वाली होती है, when the clouds get gathered and the peacock comes to know that is going to rain, then it opens its beautiful feather and it starts dancing. Yes, children. So what would be the right word? And only one word is left out. Which is the word? The word is dance. Yes. Now we will write the word D-A-N-C-E, dance, and we will not forget to mark. What number we are going to give it? We are going to give it number 5. Yes, children, number 5. Now, children, after completing this, you have to go through this and you have to write this in your English General notebook and stick a small picture of peacock also. Thank you, children.